surrounded by assholes.
I'm a cop, and you will respect my authority.
Aww.
Ring, 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 banana phone.
Bitches.
Your balls are showing.
This is madness! Madness. This is Sparta!
Boom! Headshot!
50,000 volts up the butt.
You know, you're really too tense. You need to calm the fuck down!
Oh my god, you cheating faggot loser, what the fuck? How'd you know it's there, bullshit wall hacker?
Yeah, man, I'll tell you what, that dang old internet, man, you just go on there and point and click, get in there and talk about www.com, you got them naked chicks on there, man, you go click, 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 it's real easy, man.
Hello there, children. How are my little crackers today?
Don't eat shit and die.
But it was Bibble for Shizzle and all about Bibble.
Hey, fuck you, man!
We gonna get this bitch.
Go fuck yourself, you son of a bitch! I'll come right out of the booth and fucking whack you, you fucking prick! Gotcha, bitch!
How would you like to suck my balls? Kick ass.
I am going to kick your ass.
Oh, lesbian, yummy.
It's not a tumor.
What is your major malfunction, numbnuts?
You got owned.
Now I'm really pissed off.
I'm rich, bitch!
I'm Rick James, bitch.
Run, bitch! Run!
I'll rip your head off and shit down your neck.
Shit-faced cockmaster.
Hey, how about a little less questions and a little more shut the hell up?
Stop whining.
Well, I'd love to stay and chat, but you're a total bitch. Whoa, transvestite, back off.
You need to shut the fuck up!
Hey, where are the white women at?
Yeah.
Dominating! Double first blood! Godlike! Hat trick! Headhunter! Headshot! Holy shit! Humiliation! Killing spree! Rampage! Team killer! Ultra kill! Unstoppable! Wicked sick!